Hello everybody, this is Kenny Cash from Factory Underground Tech, and today I'm going to discuss a quick tip using iZotope Tonal Balance for production and mixing. Let's check it out. So what I did is actually download a bunch of high quality stems, anything from Dua Lipa to Imagine Dragons, Bruno Mars, Elton John, and I ran an iZotope Tonal Balance analysis on just the drums. This was extremely helpful, especially because I work in multiple genres. Most of us build our productions and our mixes from the drums up, so starting here can be a real help when you're beginning to shape your track. Let's check it out. If you think you'd find these analyses useful and like to download the files for them, feel free to click the link in the description below to download and use them for your own productions. Please like and subscribe to our page and comment below on any more tips and tricks you'd like to learn. Or if you're interested in private lessons, please visit factoryundergroundtech.com to learn more.